Alright guys, I'm going straight to the portal. If you need the eggs or the bone specific, the timestamp is in the description below. Before doing the Ascendant challenge, go to Petravenge and collect the Ascendant challenge bounty. Upon completing the Ascendant challenge, you will get an extra set of legendary gears. Once you have reached here, apply your tincture of Queen's Foil, otherwise you will not be able to see the portal. In this Ascendant challenge, 3 orbs will be highlighted in this map. You have to collect those highlighted orbs and dunk them in the center of this maze. Be careful with the blind looking objects, don't get too close to them. If you touch the blind looking object or get close to them, you will be slowed, you will not be able to double jump. So you might take damage from the thralls and the knights chasing you. No need to kill the thralls because they will just keep coming, so try to avoid them by jumping in the air. While you are dunking the ball, you will take damage from the floor also, so make sure you are not standing there for too long. The location of these orbs can change from player to player, so you have to find it by yourself where it is on the map and collect it and then go back to the center and dunk it. After you have dunked all 3 orbs, the center area where you are dunking the orbs, it will now give you infinite super energy. So if you run out of super, if you stand in that well for a second, your super will recharge. Also watch out from these knights because sometimes they will disappear and just spawn behind you, so watch out for them. Don't stay at the same place for too long and you will be fine. Keep using your super energy and keep damaging them. Before collecting the eggs or the bones, I'll suggest you pick up the chest, otherwise it will despawn. For the fast egg, keep the well on your left side and the portal in front of you. In that situation, go to the right side and after you cross 2 pillars, you can see the fast egg at the edge. There you can see the fast egg. After getting the fast egg, come close to the portal and there in the right side at the edge you can see the second egg. There is the second egg. For the bone, keep the well on the left and the portal on the front. Then go right from the portal and before the first blight you can turn left. From there keep going straight. When you reach the end, jump onto the left floating rock. From here look downside and you can see the bones glowing there. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.